This is going to be a video tutorial on how to curve text in Canva. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into the free version of Canva. To curve text in Canva, say that I wanted to curve this text right here. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is left click on the text to select it. I have the text selected now. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, down to where it says Effects, and click on Effects. Then the pane that opens up on the left hand side, you want to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see the Shape section, and in the Shape section right here is Curve. Click on Curve. As you can see now, it has curved my text. Now you can go back over to the left side pane, scroll down a little bit further, and you have a little slider down here. The more you move this slider, the more or less that it curves, depending on which way you move it. If you move it over to the left side, it starts curving up the other way. That is how to curve text in Canva. Thanks for watching.